Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to teach you how to make trades like this. These trades are extremely profitable and the risk to reward ratio is great. Look, this is a 1 to 9 risk to reward ratio. That's unheard of, okay? So I'm going to teach you how to get these entries and what to look for to be more confident in the market, okay? So let's start with support and resistance is the main basis of this video, and I'm going to show you how to find support and resistance and tell you what it is. So first, let's start with the what. So support and resistance is going to be a support zone where price is coming down, touching, retracing, and then bouncing off of to find a newer high or maybe a lower high. So that's going to be a support zone. Now a resistance is going to be a point of resistance where price action hits, retraces, and then it could consolidate, it could form a lower low, do so many things. So it's a point of resistance. It's very simple, exactly what the word means in the dictionary. Now, how do we find these? Another very simple thing. People underestimate how important this is. Look, we're going to find a lower low right here and draw a line, okay? Just like that. And now we're going to find spots where price has consolidated a little bit, okay? So we've got a zone here. We've got zones here. See right there, right there. And we've got some zones right here. So these are all support and resistance levels. Now let's get some higher resistance points. We've got one here, right up there. Okay. And look how this plays out. I'm going to walk you through. We've got this set up. Now you're wondering, how do we use this? Okay. I'm going to start from back here and walk you through this price action with support and resistance. Look, price comes down. It doesn't have to touch specifically on it, but just gets close, okay? So look, we hit this resistance, we retrace all the way down to the support. We consolidate, range for a little bit, boom, hit the resistance again, come down, more consolidation. Now look, this is your entry. This is the prime entry. You're getting a double top on the resistance, okay? Look, touch there, touch there. I'd enter my short position here, okay? And this is where the great risk to reward ratio comes in for this trading strategy. You're going to put this right above, okay? Some trades you're going to get stopped out, but it's going to be worth it because look, even if you got stopped out here, if it comes up here, fully retraces, re-enter at the same spot, put your stop loss at the same position, you wouldn't have lost much. But look, if it shot up and you had it all the way up here, either way you're going to get stopped out, but you're not going to lose as much. You're going to have enough capital to re-enter, okay guys? So look, we're going to enter on the retrace of the resistance level for a short. Now we're going to put our take profit maybe a little bit above, a little bit below. It's your preference. At a support level, okay? Take profit at the next support level. And then look. This trade would have taken a while, but it would have gotten hit. Look, this is great right here. This is an amazing trade opportunity. You would have made 3.6% on this trade. Look, 50x, you're super risky, 150%, okay? A little bit over actually. And let's see, how long did this trade take? It took 2 days, 20 hours. Okay, so that's a decent time to be holding a trade, but extremely profitable. Extremely. Screw the 5 minute, screw the 1 minute, go to the 15, the 1 hour, the 4 hour. Master these lines, okay? These support and resistance lines, and you'll be set. You can be consistently profitable and start becoming a true full-time trader. And that's really all I want for you guys, is to become profitable altogether and get prepared for this next bull run. It's all a cycle, guys. Okay, ups and downs. It's a cycle. And it's going to come back. Look, right now we're actually on a bit of an uptrend. Let's look for a long position. So after this takes profit, boom, sell loss break even, target this zone, then target this zone. Okay? And look, that's your final take profit right there. Look, this alone is 7% without leverage. Okay? And you're not risking anything at this point, okay? You've got to secure profits whenever you're trading. Some of y'all have your sell losses way too high, okay? Why risk this? Okay, why risk this? It didn't go up there this time, but it could have. And if it gets up there, it's going to keep going probably. You need to keep the sell loss tight, the profits big, okay? You can't be afraid of losing. Don't let the psychology get to you, okay? You've got to be strong-willed to be a trader. Now long positions, fellas. Okay. Look, low-level support, we retrace off of it. That's our entry for a long. That's simple. Enter on the retrace. Maybe you get in here. Maybe you get in here if you're lucky. Say you get a bad entry, like right there. Or not too shabby. Look, sell us right here. Just below support, okay? Take profit to the next resistance level. Look, you would have gotten take profit 1 right there. And that's a 2.5% gain. 50x, guys. That's basically 150%, okay? Now, with a risk to reward ratio of 2.23, that's great. And so now, what do? Sell us to break even, target the next zone that we've drawn out. Okay? Boom. It would have taken a long time, but you're going to hold. You're going to hold through it. You're not going to take profits early, okay? If it hits your sell loss, we're at break even. It doesn't matter. Let's draw this out. By using this strat, you've gotten in from the bottom of this little mini uptrend, and you've taken profit at the top currently. This is right now. It's Wednesday, November 30th, okay? This is currently. This strategy works, okay? And I want to teach you all how to do this. There's so much more to learn with this strat. It's very simple, but a lot of y'all are not taking this into account when you're trading. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to be going over Fibonacci, Elliott wave, EMAs, vector candles, so much more. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the rest. Peace.